Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock yourself if someone blocked you. So if somebody blocked you on Instagram, there's not much you can do, but there is a way that you can still send them messages. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video today. So if somebody blocked you, what you are going to want to do, you want to head over to the Instagram app. But before that, make sure that your app is completely updated. So once you know that your app is completely updated, you can just head over to the Instagram app. Now, let me just show you how you can do this real quick. Let me go to my people that I know. Let me just search up somebody real quick, your mom. And here, as you can see, I'm going to block them real quick. So once I block them, let me do that real quick. I'm going to click block, and then they're blocked now. So once you have blocked them, so let's say that you are blocked here. What you are going to, as you can see, if I search up my account, then it's blocked. There's no way for me to view it or message it. Even if I tried to message it, I won't get the person that blocked you won't get any notification that you messaged them. Let me show you real quick. I'll try and message myself. And as you can see, if I go back to my other account, it won't give me any notification that I got messaged. But if you still want to try to message them, I'll show you guys how to do that in this video today. So first, you have to make a new account or have a friend do this for you. But let me go to a third account real quick. What you are going to want to do, you want to head home and go to your direct messages. Here, click on the top right corner of your direct messages, which is that notepad thing. And once you click on that, it will bring up this page right here. Let me click on it real quick. Here. And here, you just want to click, search up your account and the person who blocked you. So let me do that real quick, your mom, and add that account, and then add the other account that blocked you. So choose that account as well. And once you do that, you can just click chat, and you can send a message if you want, and name the chat. It doesn't really matter. And let me just send a message and name it real quick. Once you've done that, you can head back to your account, or if your friend did it, just go to your account. And let me head back to my normal account real quick. But as you can see, if I head back to my normal account, the one where I've blocked the person, if they go to the group, as you can see, they can still get messages from you and interact with you if they accept it. They have to accept into the group. If they don't, then you won't be able to send messages to them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.